Okay, so this is Spelling Bee. I was looking for something to keep the kids interested in, and while I was working for this, looking for things for this assignment, and this came up. It's an older app, but it is a very good. It seems to be something that would be very good for generating or learning vocabulary, basic vocabulary English for the younger learners. I have. It also requires typing skills because basically you pick your game, easy or hard. Then you have all these pre-made lists here, and you click one. The object is to spell all the words as the picture comes up as fast as you can. And when you get to the end, you have to do so many per list. And if you make a top score at the end of the game, it will let you post that, but your score only stays up for 24 hours, so it causes you to come back and the students to come back and try it harder. So let's do we'll do food. So you just spell it rightly. Typos are what get me in trouble with my kids. If I don't type fast enough or I make typos. So for that list I was doing, you had to go through 35 words, and they show up and they repeat sometimes. So here at the end, and enter that in, and it shows how good I did on this date. And now in 24 hours, whenever the 24-hour clock resets, it will take that off, and new people will come on here and do the game. So that is this one, and then you just go ahead and you just go back and pick a new one. I've shown it to the kids in class yesterday, and they were really into it. It would be a really good tool for getting them to learn the basic ESL vocabulary. Thank you.